Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure lead generation with HubSpot beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring lead generation with HubSpot, first, log in to your HubSpot account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab in the main dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Lead Capture. Click on Forms to start creating a new lead generation form. Now, click the Create Form button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Choose between an embedded form or a pop-up form, depending on your preference, and click Next. In the form editor, add the required fields for your lead capture form, such as name, email address, and any other relevant information. You can customize the form fields by clicking on them and adjusting their properties. If needed, use the Options tab to set preferences like notifications and follow-up emails. Once you have customized your form, click Publish to make it live. Now, to implement the form on your website, click on the Share tab. Copy the embed code provided for embedded forms or follow the prompts for pop-up forms. Next, paste the code into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. If you're using a pop-up form, configure the display settings, such as trigger conditions and appearance. After the form is installed on your website, return to HubSpot and track the performance of your leads. To do this, navigate back to the Forms section and click on the specific form you created. Review the analytics to see how many submissions you have received and analyze the conversion rates. Consider integrating your form with a CRM tool if you haven't done so already to manage your leads effectively. You can set up automated workflows in HubSpot based on form submissions to streamline your lead nurturing process. Lastly, continuously optimize your form by testing different designs, placements, and content to improve lead conversion. By following these steps, you will effectively configure lead generation with HubSpot and start capturing valuable leads for your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.